Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the essentials. Examine VS Code version and the specific language extension. That prevents false leads. Once done, check your interpreter or runtime path inside settings. JSON so VS Code targets the correct binary. Also open the integrated terminal and run the same command you expect the runner to execute. This shows whether the problem is VS Code or the environment. If the terminal works, you'll focus on launch configurations next. If it fails, fix environment variables first. Once your environment is validated, edit launch. JSON to align program, args, and CWD so the debugger runs the expected file. Make sure runtime executable points to the exact interpreter. Relative paths often mislead. Then synchronize tasks. JSON with your build steps, using absolute paths when relative ones fail. This clears path ambiguity. Finally, enable verbose logging for the debugger or extension so you see the handshake between VS Code and the runtime. Those logs explain why a launch failed. You finish by restarting VS Code and reloading the window to apply config changes. Sometimes extension host caching blocks fixes. Then reproduce the run with breakpoints and ensure source maps or debug symbols align to your code so stepping works. If problems persist, run the same command outside VS Code and compare outputs that isolates editor issues versus runtime errors. Troubleshooting tip. If errors are inconsistent, disable extensions one by one. A misbehaving extension often causes intermittent run failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.